Asiri Morphy Afolabi that a lot of people that are not in the industry don't know. Only mo ma tú lórí video yìí leni. You see, this secret I'm talking about is something a lot of people in the industry are aware of. So, kí Ọlọ́run kó túbọ̀ dẹ̀lẹ̀ fún ẹni rere. May his soul continue to rest in perfect peace. Amen. You see, Morphy Afolabi is a legend. I don't like to water down that word, legend. But in all ramifications, Morphy Afolabi is a legend. Because Morphy Afolabi was like a window to almost everybody in the industry. When I say window, I mean almost all the superstars you are seeing today in our industry, even outside our industry, have passed through Morphy's window one way or the other. So in this video, I want to say it categorically speaking. Morphy Afolabi did not get the flowers he deserved. Morphy Afolabi did not get the kind of recognition he deserved while he was alive and even after Tochiku. See, in the industry, Said Balogun is my official boss. Morphy Afolabi is my industry boss because Obi Koto Nwoni. At the beginning of my career, yeah, Morphy Afolabi was the first person that gave a production manager my number. Me and Crack, he gave our numbers to the production manager of a particular big production that called this guy, eh? Tell him he's coming to work on this set, so date. Then I was in fact, upcoming Parakunimi, but the production manager called me like I was a big star. I felt so big. That was the kind of motivation any upcoming can ever hope for. Now, between the video, a lot of people in the industry, a lot of big artists in the industry today, they did not give Morphy the kind of recognition, the kind of flowers he truly deserved, even when he was alive, even after Tochiku. Now, and tó bá sọ pé Morphy will help on one way or the other to get celebrity in the industry wale ni irọ́ ló ń pa. Irọ́ ńlá ló ń pa. So this brings me to the point I'm going with this video. Morphy Afolabi was like an umbrella. What shielded a lot of people from a lot of problems in the industry. A lot of people will say, Morphy Afolabi is an illiterate. Kò gbóyìnbó, ó máa ń sọ say. On Morphy Afolabi, the impact Morphy Afolabi had on a lot of people's career in the industry. People that are educated, they can't even level up to his level of impact he had on a lot of people's career in the industry. Morphy Afolabi ni ọkùnrin tó máa sunrara fún ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ tí kò sí nǹkan kan tó fẹ́, like ọkùnrin tó sunrara fún ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ akọ́ṣẹ́ ló ń ṣe. Morphy Afolabi ló máa help ọkùnrin ẹgbẹ́ without even expecting a dime or a thing. I'm telling you. Morphy Afolabi tó sọ pé kò gbọ́ Ìgbò. When some celebrities in our industry wanted to travel to America, to Canada, it was Morphy Afolabi that God used as a catalyst for all of them to travel. You can ask Sonyeri. Sonyeri even said it in an interview that it was Morphy that helped them to secure the American visa and the Canadian visa. That if not for Morphy, Sonyeri funare o sọ bẹ́ẹ̀ in an interview. Respect Sonyeri. So what I'm saying in this video is, let us give honor to whose honor is due. Let us give flowers to whose flower is due. Let us give recognition to whose. If anything in the industry, Lenny, there is no how you can tell the story of this our industry without mentioning Morphy's impact. Possible. When I started my career in the industry, it was after I played a particular part in Oshumare, Rainbow, that Morphy Afolabi's blockbuster. When the movie came out, the third day, I was walking on the street. American Lollipop, American Ginger, hey, Tony Montana. It was Morphy Afolabi's film that I featured in that got me popular. I'm telling you. See, Morphy Afolabi was the kind of person that he will be helping you. He will be helping you. A lot of people can attest, they can testify to what I'm saying. I'm telling you, he has helped a lot of people. Why is it that we are not giving him posthumous recognition, posthumous flowers, posthumous honor that we are supposed to be giving him even after he's gone? Morphy Afolabi, because I saw a video the other day, somebody was saying, Morphy Afolabi, when you mention Morphy Afolabi, you have to put respect to that name. Go and ask Akim Onilogbo, Akim Effect today. He will tell you Morphy's impact in his career. Morphy Afolabi, Akim Onilogbo, respect, my guy. So, I can't start mentioning names. If I start mentioning names, Morphy Afolabi is like a prophet. He's a legend. He's like a prophet. I'm telling you. Look at Fumoton Gbenga Adeboye. Look at Fumoton. Look at the impact Fumoton had on a lot of people's career on radio. Presentation, OAP career, OAP industry. Look at how many people Fumoton helped in his lifetime. Kopelaye. Look at Babara. Even look at Michael Jackson. The kind of impact Michael Jackson had, still have on the pop culture, on pop music in America, in the world. You cannot describe it. You cannot even, you cannot put it on a scale. Look at Barrister. Sikiru Ayinde Barrister. Look at the impact of Barrister in Fuji music. God! You need to see how many people that are making money doing Fuji music. A lot of people are making billions. It was Barrister that started it. Look at the impact. Even Fela Nicola Kokuti. Fela no Pelaye. Look at the impact of Fela on Nigeria's freedom, on Africa's freedom. Look at it. They will keep talking about Fela. But the man saw money in a lot of time. The Fuji industry, they're supposed to be holding a particular celebration, like celebration. They're supposed to be honoring Sikiru Ayinde Barrister every year in a particular venue. Every year, that all the prominent Fuji musicians will come together. They will harness their energies, their resources together, and put on a show to honor the memory of Sikiru Ayinde Barrister. Mr. Fuji, come and honor every year. That is one thing they have not been doing. They are supposed to be doing it because he paved the way for all of them. That is what I'm saying. A lot of people in the industry, a lot of people pay the donkey years in the industry. It doesn't have any impact, or she doesn't have any impact whatsoever. And in the industry, because they don't have any impact whatsoever. Look at what Murphy has done with his life, with his career. Do you know that Murphy redefined the game in our industry with his movies? Look at Oshimare. Look at Awoko. Yes, Awoko. In all those movies, Murphy Afolabi has made a lot of celebrities who they are today. I'm telling you. So when we talk about Murphy Afolabi, let us put a huge respect to that name. Let us give him the kind of flowers he deserves. Let us give him the kind of honor he deserves. Look at Egbiorun. Look at Ogunde. Look at all of these people. It is not how long you spend on the surface of earth that matters. It is your impact that matters. What you are doing, the kind of impact. Are you really impacting in people's lives, in people's careers? What are you doing? Or are you the type that is using your own might and power to spoil people's career? We have seen a lot of cases when people that are prominent, they will be attacking the people that are coming behind them. If you know you are that type of person and you are that powerful, you better stop. Look at the legacy Murphy have left behind. I can't start mentioning names. If I start to mention the people Murphy have helped to become so popular, to become great today, because there are so many. One of them is me. Olon Lolo Murphy fun career ti tèmi náà when I started the industry. So now, what I'm trying to say with this video is I'm addressing the whole industry, no matter the association you belong, no matter, I'm addressing the entire industry as a whole. Ejo, let us start to give our fallen heroes the respect they deserve. My name is Jeff Owolewa. I'll see you some other time.